Picture this. On one side, you see hair that looks tired and a little bit sad. It's frizzy, it lacks shine, and the ends feel brittle and dry to the touch. It just doesn't seem to have that bounce or life, no matter what you try. This is the hair so many of us struggle with, especially after too much heat styling or exposure to the sun and wind. Now imagine the other side of the picture. This hair is completely transformed. It's glossy, smooth, and cascades down with a healthy, vibrant bounce. Each strand looks strong and feels incredibly soft. It's the kind of hair you see in commercials, the kind that makes you want to run your fingers through it all day long. What if I told you that the secret to bridging this gap between dull and dazzling hair wasn't some expensive chemical-laden salon treatment? The hero of our story is something much simpler, greener, and probably sitting in a pot on someone's windowsill right down your street. It's the humble yet powerful aloe vera plant. So, what makes this simple plant so incredibly good for our hair? It's not complicated magic. It's just full of amazing natural ingredients that your hair and scalp absolutely love. Think of an aloe vera leaf as a tiny green bottle packed with everything your hair is thirsty for. First and foremost, aloe vera is mostly water. Over 99% water, in fact. This is why it is one of the best natural moisturizers you can find. When you apply it to your hair, this water content deeply hydrates each strand from the inside out, fighting dryness and making your hair feel incredibly soft and pliable, which helps prevent breakage. But it's not just about the water. Aloe vera is also loaded with essential vitamins that are crucial for hair health. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants work to protect your hair from damage caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV rays. On top of the vitamins, aloe is also rich in important minerals like zinc and copper. Zinc plays a vital role in hair tissue growth and repair, helping to keep the oil glands around your hair follicles working properly. Finally, let's talk about something called proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes found in aloe vera help to break down and remove dead skin cells that can clog your hair follicles on the scalp, creating the perfect runway for your hair to grow long and strong. When it comes to using aloe vera hair masks, you generally have two main options: a quick 10 to 20 minute treatment or a deep intensive overnight mask. A quick mask is fantastic for a regular boost of hydration and shine. Think of it as a quick pick-me-up for your hair during a busy week. If your hair is generally healthy but just needs a little extra softness or help with detangling, a short contact mask is a perfect choice for you. A quick mask is ideal for those who are short on time or have finer hair that can get weighed down easily by heavy treatments. Applying the aloe vera gel for just a few minutes before you shampoo allows it to impart moisture and vitamins without overly saturating your strands. On the other hand, the overnight mask is the ultimate deep conditioning treatment. This is for when your hair is crying out for serious help. If you're dealing with very dry, brittle, damaged, or color-treated hair, letting the aloe vera work its magic overnight is a total game changer. The extended time allows the gel to penetrate the hair shaft much more deeply, delivering an intense dose of hydration and nutrients. Before you can whip up your amazing hair mask, you need to get your hands on some aloe vera gel. You have two main choices here: harvesting it fresh from an aloe vera plant or buying a pre-made gel from the store. Using fresh gel directly from the plant is my personal favorite because you know it's 100% pure, with no additives or preservatives. It's as natural as it gets. Next, you need to drain the aloe, which is a yellow latex-like substance that can be irritating to some people's skin. Stand the leaf upright in a cup or bowl for about 10 to 15 minutes to let this yellow liquid drain out completely. After it's drained, lay the leaf flat, slice off the thorny edges, and then carefully slice the leaf open lengthwise. Use a spoon to scoop out all that clear, beautiful gel. If you don't have a plant or prefer the convenience, a store-bought gel works wonderfully too. The key is to choose a high-quality product. When you're shopping, look at the ingredients list and make sure aloe vera is the very first ingredient. You want a product that is at least 99% pure aloe vera gel. Try to avoid gels that contain a lot of alcohol, artificial fragrances, or unnecessary colors, as these can be drying and irritating to your scalp. Now for the fun part, making your very own hair mask. We'll start with a universal recipe that is fantastic for all hair types. It's simple, effective, and provides a great foundation. For this basic mask, all you really need is pure aloe vera gel. That's it. The only ingredient you'll need is half a cup of pure aloe vera gel, and you can use either freshly blended or store-bought gel. But why stop there? The best thing about aloe vera is that it's a fantastic base for adding other natural ingredients to target your specific hair concerns. Here are 5 easy variations you can try. First, for dry, thirsty hair. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of olive or coconut oil to your half cup of aloe vera gel. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture into the hair, while the oil helps to seal it in. Second, for dandruff and itchy scalp, mix a few drops, about 5 to 7, of tea tree essential oil into your half cup of aloe vera gel. Tea tree oil has powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties that help combat the root cause of dandruff. Third, for promoting hair growth, stir 1 tablespoon of castor oil into your half cup of aloe vera gel. Castor oil is famous for its ability to nourish the scalp and hair follicles with ricinoleic acid. Fourth, for oily hair and scalp, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a few drops of rosemary essential oil to your half cup of aloe vera gel. Lemon juice acts as a natural astringent to help control excess oil production. And finally, for color-treated hair, blend 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt into your half cup of aloe vera gel. The protein in yogurt helps to strengthen chemically processed hair, while the lactic acid gently cleanses and smooths the hair cuticle. Alright, let's talk about your bedtime ritual. Applying the mask for maximum results. Applying your overnight hair mask correctly is key to getting those amazing, transformative results. It's best to start with dry or slightly damp hair that is free from any styling products. First, you'll want to brush your hair thoroughly to remove any knots or tangles. Next, part your hair into 4 or more manageable sections. I usually do 1 part down the middle and then another from ear to ear. Using clips to hold the sections in place makes the process so much easier. Now, dip your fingers into the bowl of your prepared aloe vera mask and start applying it to your scalp first. Take your time to gently massage the mask into your roots using circular motions. This massage not only feels incredible, but also helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. Once your scalp is fully covered, begin working the mask down the lengths of your hair. Pay special attention to the ends, since they're the oldest and typically the driest part of your hair, and need the most love and hydration. After your hair is completely saturated with the mask, gently twist your hair and pile it into a loose bun on top of your head. To protect your pillowcase and to lock in heat and moisture, cover your hair with a shower cap or a silk scarf. Good morning. It's time for the big reveal. The morning after your overnight aloe vera treatment is when you get to see and feel the incredible results of all that deep conditioning. Your hair has been soaking in goodness all night long, and now it's time to rinse it out properly to reveal soft, shiny, and revitalized locks. The key to the morning after routine is to be gentle. Start by stepping into the shower and rinsing your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Avoid using hot water, as it can strip away the moisture you just spent all night putting into your hair. Let the water run through your hair for a few minutes, gently using your fingers to work the mask out of your strands. You'll notice your hair feels incredibly smooth and slippery. That's the aloe magic. After the initial rinse, you can decide whether or not you need to shampoo. For most hair types, especially if you added oils to your mask, a gentle shampoo is a good idea to remove any remaining residue and prevent your hair from feeling weighed down. Once you're out of the shower, gently squeeze the excess water from your hair and blot it with a soft cotton t-shirt or microfiber towel. Let your hair air dry if possible to see the full glorious effect of the treatment. You will be amazed at how soft, manageable, and shiny your hair is. It's totally normal to have a few questions before trying a new hair treatment, so let's tackle some of the most common ones about using aloe vera masks. One of the biggest questions people ask is, can aloe vera really help my hair regrow? While aloe vera isn't a magic cure for baldness, it creates an ideal environment for healthy hair growth by cleansing the scalp, reducing inflammation, and delivering key nutrients. Another important question is about safety and allergies. Should I do a patch test first? Yes, absolutely. Even though aloe vera is natural, some people can have an allergic reaction to it. Apply a small amount to a discrete area like behind your ear and wait several hours. Many people wonder, is it safe to use store-bought gel or is fresh better? Both are great options. The most important thing is to read the label and choose a product that is at least 99% pure aloe, without added alcohol, colors, or fragrances. Finally, is this mask safe for men and kids? Yes, it is. Aloe vera is a gentle, natural ingredient that is generally safe for everyone, men, women, and children. For men, it's wonderful for scalp health and combating dandruff. For kids, it's a great natural alternative to chemical-laden conditioners. Just remember to always perform a patch test first, especially on children's sensitive skin, to rule out any potential allergies before you do a full application. It's a family-friendly hair treatment. Using aloe vera in your beauty routine is already a wonderful step towards a more natural lifestyle, and you can make it even more eco-friendly. The most sustainable way to use aloe is to grow your own. Aloe vera plants are incredibly low-maintenance succulents that thrive in sunny spots. Having your own plant means you have a constant supply of fresh, package-free gel. When you harvest a leaf, you can use every part of it. After scooping out the gel, you can compost the leftover green skin, returning its nutrients back to the earth. If you purchase store-bought gel, you can still make eco-conscious choices. Look for brands that use recycled or recyclable packaging and support companies committed to fair trade and sustainable sourcing practices. Every small choice we make as consumers can add up to a big, positive impact on our planet. So let's recap the incredible journey we've taken. We've seen how the humble aloe vera plant can transform hair from dull and dry to shiny and vibrant. We learned the simple science behind its magic, all those vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that hydrate and heal. We've explored how to make the perfect mask for your specific hair needs, whether it's fighting dandruff, boosting growth, or taming oil. From applying the mask at night to rinsing it out in the morning, you now have a complete guide to achieving the softest, healthiest hair of your life, naturally. The most important thing to remember is that consistency is key. While you will see amazing results after just one overnight mask, incorporating this treatment into your regular routine will bring long-lasting benefits. So here is your call to action. Try one overnight aloe vera mask this week. Pick the recipe that speaks to you, gather your ingredients, and give your hair the nourishing treat it deserves. You have all the knowledge you need to unlock the secrets of this amazing plant. Go ahead and start your journey to healthier, happier hair tonight. Welcome to your new amazing hair. Thank you so much for watching. If you love discovering natural and homemade beauty tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, effective, and inspiring ideas. Join our community, and let's glow naturally together. See you in the next video.